What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mainelyme, and as you can see from the title, I'm going to be tinting my brows for the first time using Justformen mustache and beard dye. I'm going to be using the color black. I didn't use dark brown just because of my skin tone and my hair is that black, so I kind of wanted to match it. As you can see here, my eyebrows are fairly light. I really don't have eyebrows. It comes with instructions, your dye, your developer, and two of those little application brushes that I'm getting ready to hold up. Yeah, come with two of those. Y'all, I outlined my brows prior to coming on camera. Now that I look at it on camera, I really didn't do that great. Yeah, so don't come for me. So I'm going to just put it in this little thing it comes with it, put some dye and developer in there as much as you want. I didn't need that much because, as you can see, I'm just doing my brows. We're not doing a mustache and beard. Put your dye and developer in, y'all. So I'm going to start mixing it with this applicator brush. Do not use that brush. It's horrible. It picks up all the product. I'm gonna have to put a little more in there because, again, yeah, it took all the product. So I wouldn't recommend using that brush at all. And if you see me talking, I'm actually talking to my friend. So again, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little more developer and dye. And I'm going to use a little angle brush and just mix it up. And I'm going to use that same brush to apply the product. Yeah, that. Just a little inexpensive elf brush. So go ahead and mix it together. And like, it's self-explanatory. You just put it on your eyebrows. Just like you would apply like a dip brow or anything like that. I mean, that's the concept I was using, so yeah. All right, so again, pick up some product and just apply it. Fairly easy. And I realized I was out of frame right here, so I do apologize. So just put it, I should have put a little more product, but yeah, just put it where you want it to be, wherever you want dyed. It doesn't matter if it gets on that concealed part. That's why you put the concealer there, was to basically stop dye from running. One tip I would say is to just put it where you want it to be. I went a little bit further right there. I shouldn't have put it so far right there. I don't know what I was thinking. I wasn't. You're gonna see when I wipe it off how I fix that. So just know if you make a mistake, it is fixable. And if not, just use makeup to correct it. And again, this was my first time tinting my own eyebrows. I've never even tinted my eyebrows before, so it was the first for everything for me. So what I would do different is I will clean up my brows beforehand, and I will also take my time and really outline my brows like perfect. I didn't do that, but they, it'll do. Yeah, so I'm just going in and cleaning up where that dye, see, it's just like running. Just clean it up so it doesn't stain. And if it does stain, I figured out that you can use a little alcohol and wipe it. All right, so once you do that, you let it sit for 5 minutes, and of course it's dye, so it turns the true color. As you can see, it looks really, really black. I was a little nervous because I thought my eyebrows was going to be that black. But look, y'all, see? Nice. So I'm gonna do this one more time, like, for y'all. I'll film another video where I really do it like again. But I don't think my first time was horrible. Look, I think they look really good. Look there. Again, I would recommend outlining your brows and not going where you don't want it to be. As you can see in right there, it's a little messy, but I'm going to fix that. So just stay tuned and I'll show you how to fix that. But overall, I'm really, really, really happy. It doesn't sound like that. It's just that I can't raise my voice. I have a bruised vocal cord, so I don't know if you can tell my voice is starting to go out. So I'm going to try to not talk so much. But look, I am really, really happy. So off camera, what I did was, and I'll insert a couple of pictures, I went back in with a little more dye and kind of defined some areas that I felt that had a little gapping in it. And that was just due to my application process. But overall, I would 100% recommend this. As you can see, look, it's like I'm about to have a unibrow, but I'm gonna fix that. And I'm just going in, cleaning up a couple of wild hairs. See, go ahead and trim your eyebrows first, ladies. Clean up your brows. Don't do what I did. Clean up your brows, then outline them perfectly, and then apply the dye. So this is trial and error with me. But overall, I think I did really, really, really good. So what I'm doing here is I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to fix it. And I figured alcohol would do it. And look, it does. Look, just pull a little elbow grease in it and rubbed it. And bam. I fixed it. No more unibrow. And I keep looking off to the side because I'm looking in the mirror. But I think overall, 100% recommend. This lasts for like a couple of days. I think it's a great investment. I mean, I think people get their brows tinted like every 2 weeks. So if you take $6 and spend on your own box, and you could get like a lot of applications because you're only needing like a little bit of the dye. So I would recommend. All right, guys. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the pictures, and until next time, see you later.